Hello friends, my name is Praveen Dhiman and I am working as instructor in mechanic motor vehicle trade in Government ITI Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Today, now we talk, if you want to buy a car to start your work, then what process should you adopt for that? As you are aware that Himachal Pradesh is known as tourism hub, you can start your self-employment even with a taxi. I will provide you a little information about it. First of all, you decide which car you want to buy because nowadays a tourist who comes to visit, first of all, sees the comfortable. So your car should also be such that tourists feel comfortable in it. Your vehicle should also be strong in terms of safety. If you have decided to take any car, whether it is diesel or petrol, then I will provide you a little information about all the documents needed to buy it. If you do not have money to buy a car, then you can also take a vehicle through the bank. Nowadays, the loan facility is available in the bank too. To take advantages of this facility, you have to pay some part to the bank in the form of interest. As your work progresses, so will the loan of the bank in the form of installments, so you can take another one car after a short period of time. For SC and SC/ST category peoples, loan facility are also available by the state government and the central government, in which loan facility is available at very low interest rate. Now you have taken your car, but how to use that car as a taxi? I will give little information in this regard. First of all, the number plate of the taxi should be yellow and your name, address and contact number should also be written outside the car with yellow paint. It is very important to have a passing date written along with it. Nowadays, license number is also being written outside the taxi. In this, you have to pay road tax every year because your taxi is passed every year only. Along with it, you also get the national permit. It is required that you can move around the country easily. There should also be first aid kit inside the taxi and you should have complete knowledge about that. Your car must also have fire extinguishers because if there is a fire inside the car or in the engine part, you can immediately use the device for fire be extinguished. Along with all these things, you should always have a driving license. Nowadays, the facility of DigiLocker has been provided under Digital India, in which you can get your driving license, copy of RC, copy of insurance and copy of permit also inside the mobile. You can keep it and can show it in time. After all these things are completed, you can easily drive your car as a taxi.